Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0990 refers to an issue with the transmission fluid pressure switch E, specifically for the 6th clutch circuit in 2012 to 2017 Honda Accord models. This error indicates that the pressure switch is providing a high signal, which typically suggests a lack of hydraulic pressure applied to the 6th clutch. The pressure switch is integral to monitoring and controlling the hydraulic system's operation, assisting the powertrain control module (PCM) in ensuring smooth gear shifts. Located in the hydraulic circuit related to the 6th clutch, its primary function is to activate when pressure is applied and deactivate otherwise. If the signal remains high while the vehicle is in 6th gear, the PCM interprets this as a fault, triggering the DTC, which in turn illuminates the check engine light and can lead to drivability concerns. Diagnosing this issue requires a thorough understanding of transmission system functionality and proficiency in using an advanced diagnostic scan tool. It's vital for technicians to follow the manufacturer's diagnostic guidelines to accurately identify and rectify the fault, ensuring proper repair and vehicle performance. The transmission fluid pressure switch, E, 6th clutch, is a critical component involved in the hydraulic pressure management for the 6th clutch in the Honda Accord's transmission system. It is strategically located within the hydraulic pressure circuit, acting as a sensor to monitor the pressure applied to the clutch. When the hydraulic pressure is applied correctly, the switch sends an on signal to the powertrain control module, PCM, which manages the engine and transmission functions. If there's insufficient pressure, the switch remains off, indicating a potential malfunction. When the PCM detects inconsistencies in the switch's status while the vehicle operates in 6th gear, it records the high signal state as a fault, hence triggering the DTC P0990. This process is crucial for ensuring smooth gear transitions and preventing transmission damage, making effective monitoring of the pressure switch indispensable. Identifying the potential causes of the DTC P0990 involves examining various elements of the transmission system thoroughly. A common issue could be a short to power in the OP6 SW line connected to the transmission fluid pressure switch E. When this happens, the signal sent to the PCM mistakenly shows high pressure, leading to a malfunction indication. Furthermore, an open OP6 SW line could result from a loose connector or disconnection, preventing the PCM from receiving accurate data regarding the clutch's pressure status. Another possibility is that the pressure switch itself has become stuck in the off position regardless of actual conditions, misleading the PCM. Lastly, an internal failure within the PCM could also trigger this code, as it may not process the signals correctly and thus indicate a fault that does not genuinely exist. Therefore, careful inspection of both the switch and electrical connections is crucial. When the DTC P0990 is present, several notable symptoms may arise that can affect the overall performance of the Honda Accord. One primary indicator is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, which indicates the presence of an error code. Additionally, drivers may experience transmission performance issues, such as delayed or erratic gear shifting, especially when trying to transition into 6th gear. These erratic shifts can lead to vibrations or disruptions during acceleration, making the driving experience less smooth and potentially unsafe. Moreover, the automatic transmission AT gear position indicator may start to blink, signaling that there is a problem with the transmission system. It is crucial to address these symptoms promptly, as ignoring them can lead to further complications or transmission damage. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0990 involves starting the engine and then driving the vehicle in 6th gear for a minimum of 4 seconds. This procedure is vital for creating the conditions necessary to ascertain whether the transmission fluid pressure switch E is functioning correctly. It allows the powertrain control module, PCM, to receive input signals from the pressure switch, which can identify if the switch is activating and deactivating appropriately based on hydraulic pressure conditions. Importantly, this test should only be conducted in safe traffic conditions and when ambient factors allow for safe driving without interruptions. The results of this step will give valuable insight into whether the system is functioning properly or if further diagnosis is required. Nonetheless, be cautious while attuning driving practices with the monitoring requirements. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P0990, you should check for any active diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Utilizing this advanced diagnostic tool will enable you to evaluate the vehicle's onboard diagnostics more comprehensively. By reviewing the inputs and outputs associated with the transmission fluid pressure switch E, you can identify if there are discrepancies between expected and actual values. This analysis also allows you to catch any related faults that could be concurrently affecting performance. If other DTCs are present, especially those concerning the transmission or PCM, it's imperative to address those issues as well. The responsibility lies in ensuring that no other active faults are obscuring the diagnosis of the pressure switch circuit. An efficient review using HDS can significantly narrow down the potential system faults. After addressing the issues indicated by DTC P0990, performing a final repair verification is a crucial step to ensure the effectiveness of the repairs made. Start by conducting a thorough road test under various driving conditions to observe any related performance changes in the transmission system. During the test, pay close attention to gear shifting behaviors, particularly while engaging sixth gear. This will help confirm that the transmission fluid pressure switch E is now functioning correctly and relaying accurate signals to the powertrain control module, PCM. Additionally, continuously monitor the DTC status to ensure that no new codes reappear, which would indicate persisting problems. An effective road test not only validates repairs, but also provides reassurance to the vehicle owner regarding the reliability of the work conducted. Only after confirming that both performance and diagnostics return to normal should the case be considered complete. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding recurring issues such as the DTC P0990 in a Honda Accord. Regular checks of the transmission fluid are essential, as maintaining the proper fluid levels and quality can significantly impact the performance of the transmission system. Inspecting wiring and connectors related to the transmission fluid pressure switch E is also critical, as loose connections can lead to problems like those indicated by this code. Routine diagnostics using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, may flag issues before they escalate into major faults, giving a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance. By scheduling these inspections and maintaining a keen eye on both fluid levels and electrical connections, you can ensure the long-term health of the vehicle's transmission system, preventing unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs down the line. In conclusion, DTC P0990 signifies a critical issue related to the transmission fluid pressure switch E in Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. Addressing this diagnostic trouble code is essential for ensuring smooth gear shifts, preventing unnecessary wear and potential damage to the transmission system. A thorough diagnostic approach is paramount, including driving patterns, utilizing professional diagnostics tools like HDS, and systematically eliminating potential causes. Establishing a solid repair strategy and following up with preventive maintenance can significantly enhance the vehicle's longevity and performance. By remaining vigilant about the health of both the transmission fluid system and its associated components, drivers can enjoy a safer and smoother driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.